that moment of clarity, especially with questions. When I had a dream about 2 days after our first session, it was a nightmare. It was a fear-based dream. And I first attempted to just allow love and light to come in, but it wasn't working. The fear was still very there. And so I decided to ask it a question. And I asked, do I need to pay attention to you? And I acknowledged it, and it lifted. It was unbelievable. And I haven't had a nightmare since. After the first session, I really noticed a huge shift in him, and I never thought I would. It works on him, and I've really noticed him opening up. That's really cool. I would just really focus on the blessing ball of light one, too, today, and just send him that blessing ball of light. It really showed. It really worked. It really showed a difference in him. He was more receptive. He was calmer. It's love and kindness now, the way we interact with each other. It's crazy. It's really neat. So if you're ready for it, it'll change your life. And it's only been, 10 days with us, and it's changed my life. I kid you not. It changed my life. I finally feel love. I shut myself down for so long, and to feel love and to even feel joy in my life, that's just a new concept, and that's just what's mind-blowing to me. Really awesome.